My Ring doorbell logs motion every night at 3:17. The recording shows an empty porch. Two-story house in suburban Pennsylvania. Front porch. 2 cameras. No pets. We sleep at 11. Notification at 3:17. I opened the app and watched the clip. The porch was empty. Motion zone fully triggered. Front step. Front rail. Nothing visible. Checked 30 days back. Every night. 3:17 exactly. Bought a second camera. Pointed it at the doorbell itself. The new camera at 3:17 shows the doorbell flashing. Nothing in front of it. I unplugged the doorbell at the breaker. The Ring app still logs motion at 3:17.